Oh, Noah's just coming in.
Would you like to read the letter? No, thanks. Matthew? Matthew Ryan Shore. Thank you. Are you going to read it? Or no? No. Okay, sorry. Matthew Logan. Smelson. Sorry.
Wednesday, September 18, 2015. Good morning, 5th graders.
Do you have tissues?
Going to refresh your memory. We will work together as a class to walk through Destiny Quest searches, and then we will break up into small groups to work on Destiny Quest scavenger hunt. We will come to the back lodge after the scavenger hunt to see how everyone found their answers. There will be ample time at the end of class for browse and borrow. Search on Miss Day and Miss Project.
Great job. Okay, so really quick, we are going to read the letter, which we did. We're going to go over Destiny Quest pretty quickly all together, and then I'm going to divide you up into groups and give you 5 minutes to do a scavenger hunt on Destiny Quest. Then we're going to come back on the rug and show each other, the groups will show how they found the answers. Then there'll be browse and borrow, and I have an activity for you at the end of class, if you have time after you pick out your book. Okay. So I'm going to switch to the iPad. There we go. Okay, so if I want to get into Destiny Quest, I know you guys have used it before, what do I press? Destiny Quest. And when I get this screen, do I panic because I don't have a password? Does anyone remember? First I panic, then I push on Try Destiny Quest, and I get in. Okay. So there's some things that you notice right away that are different about the look of Destiny Quest versus Destiny on the computer. What are some things you notice right away that really stand out to you?
Like when you see the top 10, it's kind of like a sidebar, if I remember right.
Yeah, I'm going to turn it this way so you can see.
But now it's pretty main, like there's a category you can press.
That's right. Well, do you see books right away when you're in Destiny Quest? The top 10 books, these are the books that circulate the most in the library. They're checked out and checked back in and checked back out again the most. And you can look at new arrivals. And it also, one thing that's different is it shows you the book covers right away. So you can see what it looks like without having to do any searching. What does this mean? Now look at this one. This one, those are different. What does that mean?
The book is browsed.
Yeah, this is called the status. And then this is in, so that means I could go look for it and check it out. And that one means it's out. Okay, so let's do a little searching. Let's say I only read graphic novels. So I can actually search for graphic novels without any author or title or anything. And what is this? What does that mean? Does anyone have any guesses? Yeah, it means there's 159 graphic novels where?
In the library.
In the library. Does it mean they're all in right now? No. So that's the total collection, and that then, when you do the search, you see what's in, what's not here. You can look at the covers. Okay. What if I'm on the iPad, I'm doing Destiny Quest, I say, I want to read an ebook today. Maybe I can even read it on the iPad. I can actually type ebook in, and it does the same thing. Did you see how many ebooks were available? how many ebooks are in the library, but there's 55. And I can scroll down and look at them. I'm not going to try to go into one right now. What does this mean at the bottom? Did it show me all 55 up there? No.
It means that you can go to the next page and look for more.
Exactly. So if I didn't see something I like in the top part, I could go down and look for more ebooks. Okay. So now I'm going to try looking a book up by author. I am really into Rick Riordan's book, so I'm going to type in Rick Riordan, and again it does the same thing. It says there's 15 books by Rick Riordan in the library. Do I have to spell the name correctly? What do you guys think?
No.
You actually do have to spell the name correctly, sadly. Spelling does count. So look, these are all books by Rick Riordan. Some of them are in, some of them are out. I have a lot to choose from if I haven't read them already. Okay, so I have to do a project on frogs, so I'm going to look up frogs. Oops, I got to spell frogs correctly. How many books do we have on frogs in the library? What do you think? 94 books. It has something to do with frogs. Are they all nonfiction? Some of them might be stories with frogs in them. But like there's a lot of frog books. I can scroll down. But I'm going to look into this one because I need a nonfiction book. And do I have enough information here to go find the book on the shelf?
No.
What do I have there? I have, what do you think?
The title, the author, and the story.
Yep. But I don't have, I need something else to find it on the shelf. So I'm going to actually touch it and see what this, I've actually gone into the book's entry, and now I get that last little piece of information that I needed to find it on the shelf. Anybody want to guess what it is? What do you think? The call number. So there's the call number. And, okay, what if I like this book and I want to find some other books on frogs that I might like? Is there anything on this page that would help me?
On the bottom page, you might also like it has a bunch of different.
Yeah, and I can actually just touch those. Let's see, City Duck, Country Frog. That's actually a story. It's not. It's fiction, but I can find everything I need to know about it right there. Okay, great job, everybody. We're going to talk really quickly about what I expect in your groups. I'm going to show you your groups. Okay, so you're going to be working in groups of 2 or 3, and every group is going to have one iPad, one piece of paper, which is the scavenger hunt, and one pencil. So what will it look like when you're working in groups and teams today? Is one person going to be using the iPad the whole time?
No.
Did you want to, what was your thought? Everyone's sharing, so you're sharing ideas. There could be different ways to get this to the same answer. So listen to everybody, and I would like everyone to answer, use the iPad at least once or twice while you're doing the scavenger hunt. Okay, so the scavenger hunt's going to be timed. It's going to be 5 minutes. And when I ring the chime, I want everyone to come back to the rug. So you stop what you're doing, you put your iPad back, and you put your pencil back, and then sit with your group, because your group might be coming up to show us how you found the answer. Okay, let me show you what your groups are.
None of them, they're answering serves to. It's a little sheet thing for most all computers. So that's what changed it all. No.
Maybe just try and restart. I can
Okay,
anything to
fine.
restart that.
So find the first people in your group, and then you can start.